You are standing inside invisible waves. In an ordinary room, invisible waves fill every corner. They move through walls, glide across furniture, and pass quietly through the air. Everywhere you stand, these patterns surround you, present yet unseen. These waves aren't all alike. Some carry radio broadcasts in long, gentle sweeps. Others, like Wi-Fi, pulse quickly, connecting devices in your home. Mobile signals and Bluetooth weave their own paths, working side by side to keep our world linked. What sets these waves apart are two key features: frequency and wavelength. Frequency measures how fast a wave vibrates. More cycles mean higher frequency. Wavelength is the distance from one peak to the next. Radio waves stretch wide and slow, while Wi-Fi signals are tight and fast, sending more data in less space. Invisible waves power daily life. Phones connect across cities with radio signals. Music streams through the air to your speakers. Satellites above use waves to send images and messages, tying continents together. Every wireless device around you relies on these silent travelers. You don't see waves, but physics does.